So here the question is asking to compute the second derivative of this quadratic function. So first let's talk about why is there the quadratic form here. The way to get from this, go back to that, is just matrix multiplication. So you first do these two. So you do row multiplied by column, row multiplied by column. So you get x1 plus 2x2. This is the first element. And the second element is 2x1 plus x2. So this is the result of the first multiplication. And then you multiply it the second time by this, and it's the row multiplied by the column and element by element. So x1 squared plus 2x1 x2 plus 2x1 x2 plus x2 squared. So this is basically that. So if I give you this form, you know that it's essentially some function like this. And then the next thing to do is compute the second derivative. So the Hessian matrix is just differentiating this f with x1 twice, and this is with x2 twice, and these two are differentiating with x1 and then x2, or x2 or then x1. Since they are continuous, we assume that they are the same. So we just compute some of them. We don't need these. All the choices are 1. Actually, turns out it's wrong, but in any case, let's just differentiate this one in particular. So x1, x2. So this means they're differentiating this thing with respect to x1 first. So let's leave x2 out. Actually, this notation means differentiating with x2 first. So let's leave x1 out. And then derivative of this with respect to x2 is this term is 0, this term is 4x1, this term is 2x2. So after that, you just differentiate again with respect to x1. This term is 0, this term is 4, so it should be 4. And what about the other one? So let's differentiate with respect to x1 twice. So first differentiate with respect to x1s. So it becomes 2x1. Here is 4x2. And this term differentiating with respect to x1 is 0. So basically nothing left. And turns out to be 2. So what it means is it's 2, 4, 4. The last one is symmetric. So I'll just put 2 here. So it's none of these. It's actually none of all 5. So in the question, there should be a half, and I forgot the half. That's why I wanted to be C, but it turns out to be none of them.